Hi all, welcome to the Cuta-Copter technology workshop. If you are watching this, you will then learn how to download the application, the Android application that we use for the Cuta-Copter fishing drone. To start with, enter the website Cuta-Copter.net. Go to the website and navigate to the menu. Click on Resources and click on Apps. Scroll to Cuta-Copter Android app, click that once. Scroll to the download link. Now press and hold this orange oval, so press and hold it, and then select download link. You will then see the system ask you to download the application, and you will now download this application and install it onto your Android device. The next part of the video will show you how to set up the app on your phone or tablet or any device that you are using.